Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the watch and phone so voice works reliably. Charge the device above 20% and pair it via Bluetooth. This reduces disconnects. Once paired, open the Firebolt app and grant microphone and notification permissions. This lets the assistant hear you and relay responses. Set the watch language to your preferred dialect and enable the voice assistant toggle. Once done, practice the wake phrase once to confirm the assistant responds audibly and with haptic feedback. Now you'll use the assistant for tasks. Press the voice button or say the wake phrase to open it. Speak concise commands. For example, call mom, send message to John, running late, or set a 10-minute timer. The assistant is optimized for short phrases, so pause briefly after the wake command to avoid truncation. If you ask for music or navigation, the watch forwards requests through your phone. Make sure the phone's media app is unlocked. Finally, confirm the action by checking the watch display or listening for the spoken reply. Finish by fine-tuning and knowing how to fix common issues. In the app, adjust voice sensitivity and preferred language to improve recognition. Also enable background app refresh so commands pass through. If the assistant stops responding, reboot the watch first, then unpair and repair to the phone. This often clears connection glitches. Make sure microphone access and Bluetooth are enabled and the phone's battery saver is off. If problems persist, test with simple voice notes to isolate mic versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.